gentlemen. My name is Rishabh Kumar.
And this is Ayan.
Today we are with our Python project, and that is typically based on a password master. It is a software that allows you to securely store all of your passwords and keep them safe, typically using one master password. This software saves an encrypted password database which securely stores it either on your machine or on your web. This time we are with our first version of this software, and that is 1.0.0. But in future we will surely upgrade it and will give extra features for you.
Okay, look into our application. Here it is. This is the code of our application. The file name is pass.py. So we have, let's run it. Yes. Here it is the GUI version of our password master. Here it we have to enter the application name, then we have to put URL, then email ID, then password, then we have to add record. So let's try Yahoo, our forgotten one, and its URL, that is your www.yahoo.com. Then again I have, okay, here it is my official email ID, my password. It's add record, and here is the message that showed that the record added in the database. Okay, then how to check it, the records has been added. Okay, click on the show record, it will show the all previous records. Okay, here the first one, this is, remember, this is the ID. Every time, each and every time you have to edit, means update or delete your record, delete your password from the database, you have to use this ID is 1345. This is the ID. It is unique for each and every records. So I entered last, recent password, recent my record is this one. Oh, so how to delete it? Then let's hide. Put the ID. I have to delete fourth one. Four. Let's delete. Yes, record 4 is deleted. So is it? Yes. Let's check. So record here. Fourth one is deleted. Let's try again. Try fourth one. Okay, there is nothing like four. Okay, it is so. So this is it, and where this password is being stored. So we have to go our root folder, and here it is our root folder. This is the database where our password that we insert is stored in this password manager.db, and here it is the first con. The first con is that our database into our local machine. If someone delete this, then yes, boom, your password has gone. So we are trying to fix it in our next version, that will be probably the version 2. I think let's look into that version 2. Okay.
Gentlemen, we are also working on our version 2. Have a look on our version 2.
Okay, here it is, our version 2. It's we are working on it, so it's not complete. It has some more key features than our version 1. Let's check it. Okay, as this has the more key feature, so this is more tricky. So what is its feature? So as we already said that in the version 1, the first con is that it stored the database in local system. It means anyone can check it, anyone can delete it. Okay, so how to more secure that database. So the one way we can use that, we can upload that database onto a server. Like if when we work on we access our application, it will fetch our database onto a system, like onto a server, then it will show in a client application. Okay, for that, we just set up a local server into a system, that is XAMPP. Let's start it. Okay, our local server is online. So here it's is our version 2 point version 2. It's our GUI. Here it is dashboard. It will show the user details. When it will fetch details, it will show here. Here it is the generate key. Yes, in the version 2, our password master can generate a very strong password. Okay, I will show you, and here it is stored. What it will do, when it will generate a password, it will automatically copy it to our clipboard, like it will more secure, like anyone besides you looking into the screen, he or she not even know the words, the password that generated by the application. So this is the one more way to secure the password. Again, you have to click on the store. It will store that password along with your application name, platform name, into the server. it, the third option, that is so it will fetch the database and show you the your password. So let's try the generate password. Here here i- here is the window, successfully generated key window. Let's close and okay. Now let's try what is our password. Yes, this one. The password is this, sir. Okay. And then let's store it. Okay, this short, but how to say it? One record is inserted. We got a message, one record is inserted, but where the record is inserted? For that, we have to go onto the server. So here it is our, let's go to localhost, then PHP myadmin. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, let's save. Here it is the database named password manager, and let's open it. And here is the user data, a table. Okay. Yes, look at this. Our password, even if anyone open our database in onto server, he or she will never get to know what is our password. It is in the encrypted form. Did you get it? Yes, our password will be in an encrypted form. Yes, this is some key features for our version 2 of this application. Hope you like it. Thank you.